since we got to Japan, we've been craving for some authentic Chinese food, and it's been 6 months and we couldn't find one until today. So this is chicken with mayonnaise. It's good. It's only $4 for the plate, for the whole plate. You also got Chinese chicken wings, sweet and spicy. And also we have, of course, your Chinese rolls, your Chinese lumpia rolls. There's most vegetables and a little bit of meat inside. And we have corn soup. When you walk into a Chinese restaurant, they always serve you the corn soup first, but here it's not given. You have to order if you want it. Because you're not in the United States, you're not in China, you're in Japan. And we have the chicken karagi, which I already finished one. And lastly, we have the shumai, my favorite Chinese one. I think next time we're gonna look for a Chinese dim sum, which is the Chinese breakfast place. On the quest, we're gonna be on a quest for that. So, and last, I know I said lastly, but for dessert, we have the sesame Chinese dumplings, some sweet. So we're gonna enjoy the heck out of it. We can't finish all of it. It's only 3 of us, but we are going to take some to go, and next time we know what to order already. But the most important part is we already found a Chinese place
near
and in Iwakuni. It's 20 minutes away from where we live in Marine Corps Air Base. And yeah, we're willing to share this to all the folks that live there that wants Chinese food for the longest. So there you have it, guys. Until next time. So there you go, authentic and real and raw Chinese food here in Japan. Look out.
I think you're going to do it.
So I'm inside Dais Pizza here in Hiroshima, Japan, and I like the setup. It's very small, very intimate. It's very clean as well, and it's nothing like the Dais Pizza in the States, but
Yeah.
it's a different experience.
And we're going to eat some pizza.
All right, excited?
Yeah. See you next video.
All right. Hi guys.
Hi, we ordered some Domino's pizza.
Yep.
We're about to eat it inside the car.
I know. So earlier you guys just seen the inside of Domino's Pizza, but we decided that we're gonna eat inside our van and listen to some scary YouTube stories. And yeah, there you have it. You have this ham and cheese, I believe. They're chicken nuggets, and Angel have his own version of chicken nuggets from 7-Eleven. We're actually parked right in front of 7-Eleven here in downtown Hiroshima. We found a good spot, and I'm so glad I bought this big van. Look at this. like a VIP status. No one's in the driver's seat, no one's in the passenger, but just us in the back. So we're gonna enjoy this Domino's Pizza. How is it?
Good. Different.
Different? How different?
Good.
Not enough sauce.
And this one is from 7-Eleven, and it was from in the oven.
I know. So there you have it, guys. You guys saw Domino's Pizza. We're eating inside our van. We're enjoying it. We're loving it. It's perfect family time, bonding time. We also came from Costco as well.
And we didn't have enough cash.
We don't have enough cash.
That's
so.
why we're here.
Yeah.
All right. So if you guys enjoyed this, and please hit the like button and subscribe if you guys wish to. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So we're looking for a restaurant right now, so we don't know where we're going. We're gonna walk back to where the main crowd is at what street is that?
Oh, Hindori Street and here in Hiroshima. Hiroshima.
Yeah, so we're gonna follow where the crowd is at. It's a little bit dark out here, although Japan is a safe country
The dome is
for the
like
most
right
part.
behind us right now.
And a dome, yeah, we're walking alongside the dome area. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, the dome's right behind me. You guys can see it. And it's so quiet right now. It's just the three of us walking. And
It's pretty hot too.
yeah, windy
It is
and
windy.
hot. Yeah,
It's hot.
there was a storm. Should be coming on our way, but I don't know what happened. Probably got scared of Japan and it moved away. Hi guys, so we're inside. So we found an American-inspired restaurant here in Hiroshima. It's called New York, New York. It's a burger place. It has bars as well. Nelly got her hamburger with buffalo chicken. I got my classic New York burger, and Angel got his buffalo chicken. The place is not that bad. It's very trendy. It's very beautiful. It's like a date night type of like lounge atmosphere. The ambience is nice. For each burgers, it costs $13, and my son's appetizer chicken was about $8. So we paid about $35 for everything. As you can see, it's very beautiful inside. It's like your typical Japan-sized restaurant, small, little, but it's very intimate. I really like the vibe in here. They play American music. Right now it's playing Jamaican. Right now it's playing reggaeton. Right now it's playing kind of like a reggae music inside, and I like it. So probably gonna come back some other time, get some different orders this time. So there you go, inside New York restaurant.
And so that is New York, New York. That's what it looks like. It is right next to Parco and right across the street from the 7-Eleven in front of Parco. So that's where you'll find this little spot.
All right, till next time. Thanks guys, bye-bye. What do you think? These are eggs and What you got?
Hamburger.
We got
Hopefully
pancakes, right?
hopefully it's good. And hope that it's very good. Adro in school right now, or probably like 20 minutes ago, he was having lunch. So it's like kind of like we're having lunch with him too. I miss him.
Restaurants that we go to, I always start off my meal with some hot black coffee, and it's $4 coffee right here. It's a Kona Coffee, dark roasted, and boy, better be taste good.
Second cup, by the way, that's his second cup.
Yeah, tastes good, but it's not your $4 coffee. But I'll still get it next time.